There is?
It's right there.
Oh sh**. There's a ski slope here. What is going on?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good morning everyone. So today we are heading to New Jersey, state number 8. I've woken up this morning, guys took me out for a little bit of dinner, and they've also woken me up with some homemade blueberry scones. So I'm going to grab some food. I think I'm meeting Gary this morning as well. He wants to do a little bit of filming with me, and obviously he let me stay with him, so I'm going to give him a hand, and then hopefully he said he'd like to take me to New Jersey to my next couch surfing place. So that's the plan of action today. I tell you what, in the space of 1 week I've experienced all seasons: snow, rain, sun and hail. So backwards. So we are almost at our first destination in New Jersey. I'm staying at a couch surfing house. Lovely old Gary decided to take me there, drop me off. Super helpful. Then we're gonna figure out a couple of things. So I think you wanted to meet me in a couple of days to do the trim, right? Which we could potentially do.
We can meet, you know, maybe down in Jersey City.
Jersey City, okay.
Yeah, the exchange place. It's a magnificent view of the city. We'll go there.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna drop my bags off, and hopefully I'm gonna give this guy that I'm staying at a haircut as well. I'll see you in a couple of seconds. Do you ever see those movies where you think you're going to get murdered in someone's house? This is what this looks like.
No, it doesn't. It's fine. This looks like a good Airbnb.
A good Airbnb.
But what I could tell you is this.
Yeah.
I haven't seen the movies like that, but I can live there. Okay? In my own apartment with a woman I met on the phone.
Yeah.
God, I thought I was going to die.
Well,
okay.
Hopefully he doesn't try getting it. Gary, man, thank you for everything, yeah?
Travel well.
I'll hopefully see you soon.
I hope so. You coming back?
Definitely.
All right.
Awesome, Gary. Thank you for the lift again, yeah?
You're welcome.
I'll catch you soon.
You got
Good luck.
Cheers.
Hopefully he's in.
How are you?
Hi man, how you doing?
Good.
Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. You got a lot of stuff there.
Oh, it's just I carry most of it on my back.
Right.
Lovely to meet you, man.
Yeah, same here.
Good stuff.
This is my chill out room.
This is cool, man.
This is my den.
Your den?
The den. That's what they call it.
This is awesome. These are you got an awesome little collection in here.
I have.
Wow, how long did this take you to set up?
1500 political geography.
Years.
Years.
Monarchical sounding term means
That's
a country's
awesome.
authority to.
These two are stored at another house.
Yeah.
That one's under the cover. This one I sold. Well, my regular car's out. My everyday's outside in the street.
Yeah.
I have a car in the garage.
Awesome.
And then I have another one in the other garage.
This is the typical American dream, right? Loads of cars.
Well, I've been in magazines.
Yeah?
Disease.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look.
I was in this one with my Buicks, and I just have to find my Pontiac one.
So what was this document about? Just for you owning the cars and looking after them?
Yeah, I'm the original owner of this one.
Okay, love of the lane.
And original owner of this one.
Okay. That's awesome.
So, and then Oh, stop that. That's Trent. He'll probably want to sit on your lap. That's what
okay.
He wants to do. That's why he's barking. He's trying to hop up, but your camera's there. So
yeah, it's all good. Very friendly, aren't you?
Okay. Yep. You have to wait until I pull out.
Okay, fine, cool.
Hi guys, how are we doing tonight?
Yeah,
Can I start you off with something to drink?
Palm with water, though.
Okay. And you're okay with water too, sir?
Yeah. I remember I took my camera to Hawaii, and I filmed it. I was pain in that. You know, I had this big, well, it was about this big, you know, one of those 8mm type of things. But, you know, I wanted still pictures and pictures from there, and I was so busy with the camera, I wasn't enjoying anything.
Right everyone, so I am going to head inside, I'm going to get some sleep. I need to think of a plan of action for tomorrow, because I'm in a very rural area, so I will update you in the morning when I wake up. Good night guys. Good morning everyone. I'm just figuring out my plan of action today. I'm in a little bit of a rural area at the moment. There's a couple of malls and a couple of parks, and I'm planning on getting my motorbike pretty soon, so I'm just going to figure out the best plan to potentially get a motorbike in the next couple of states and just figure out the best thing to do today and make sort of New Jersey quite exciting. I'm pretty sure I'm meeting Gary later for a haircut. We're looking over the river, looking onto Manhattan, which is going to be awesome, but that's the plan today. So I'm just going to have a shower, get dressed, and just figure out my next plan. Thank you very much, bro.
Alright, thank you.
Have a nice day, yeah?
You too, sir.
American Dream. Alright. Uber here was like 10 quid, $12. Opens at 11. I'm about 10 minutes early. This is supposed to be the second biggest mall in America. I need food. I'm very, very hungry. Bloody hell. This is pretty big. Look at that. So if I'm not mistaken, they've got ski slopes in here, Quasar, guest services. Let's have a look. It's a shame I've come here on a budget because I usually would buy some stuff, but it's fine. We're going to be sensible here today. A lot of these brands I don't really know. This is cool. Got like a massive green area here. You know, like common things is just everyone throws pennies in the wishing well. Just free money. Coca-Cola Eats, Victoria's Secret, American Eagle. Shopping centres are fun, but if you can't buy anything, it's very depressing. You got loads of food places up here. Wendy's, Noodle House. Just taking a little walk around, see if I can find if there's any other food bits. Can I get a spicy chicken sandwich, please?
Do you just want the sandwich or do you want the combo?
What's the combo?
It comes with a side order and a drink.
What's the side?
We have fries, mac and cheese, coleslaw.
Let's do this mac and cheese side.
Okay. Yeah. And the drink?
Water, please.
Okay. Anything else?
That's fine, thank you.
Okay, it's $11.72.
Thank you very much. Oh, you got any hot sauce? Right, I'm fed. Let's go and have a look around this mall, see what's what. Imagine this screen doesn't work. What's that about? So you got a water park, Nickelodeon Universe, Angry Birds, it's all down this way. I think it's closed. This is basically what it looks like. Pretty sure I've walked to the kids section over here, which is awesome though. They've got such a big area for kids. Alright, so this is a first for me for sure. They have got a massive roller coaster area in the middle of the mall. See, I was too impatient and I missed the Five Guys. Oh my god. It's like all around there, up there. Got a water park here. This is the water park. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Already that we've discovered in this shopping mall, you've got an ice rink, a roller coaster, like a theme park, Quasar, mini golf, toys, and a water park in a shopping mall. That's ridiculous. Would I like to try one? Yeah. Sure, man, why not? Which one's the best one?
The hazelnut is my favorite.
Well, that one looks like it's got raspberries in it.
This one has cranberries.
Cranberries? Yeah, why not? I like cranberries. That's pretty good. Oh, we're back in Costco getting free food. Shopping malls that are this big, you need a map or like a rough idea of where you're going, because that screen that doesn't work is no good for finding anything. There's the Amazon store. Let's go have a look at this. This is one where you just walk in and walk out. I'm not too sure. Let's have a look. Hello.
Have a good day. Welcome to Amazon.
So everything in this store is 4-star or above. It's all just random stuff. What's up, bro? That is just a store for having the sake of a store. Got way too much random stuff in there. You got books, Lego, toys, electronics. Amazon, stick to online. Got a nice little chill out area here. Big snow, baby. Is there like a ski slope in here?
Yes.
There is?
It's right there.
Oh sh**. There's a ski slope here. What is going on? That's decent. Oh, see, you know, sometimes I like that I'm travelling, but I can't wait to go on a proper skiing holiday again. Kind of see the top there, but this one looks way more advanced because you got proper ski lift here. I'm in the mood for some ice cream. Let's see if we can have a little couple of tasters of some Haagen-Dazs. Can I try the mango sorbet, please? Nice bit of free ice cream there. Thank you very much. So it feels very Vegas-esque, if that makes sense. Big open ceilings, loads of space. And you've got expensive stuff around here. Hermes, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, everything that I can't afford. Right, so it's still freezing cold outside. I've got a plan for a trim later. I'm going to be seeing Gary and we're going to be doing a trim looking over all of Manhattan. But the issue I'm having is that the trip was I was supposed to get a motorbike, I was supposed to be traveling, and I was also supposed to be cutting hair in a landmark spot. I haven't been able to do that and I'm sick of the cold. I've had enough. We've got a plan though. I have booked a flight to Fort Lauderdale, which is in Miami. Florida's going to be hot pretty much for the next month. The next month I'm going to be shooting some content there, and then when it's hotter I'm going to get my motorbike and I'm going to ride all the way back to New Jersey and I'm going to restart the trip from New Jersey. So that's the plan. So we're going to head out of the shopping mall now and we're going to eat some food, and then later I'm going to go see Gary. I'm going to stay at Gary's for the night and then I'm going to fly over to Fort Lauderdale. That's the plan. Let's do it. Right, I'm all shopping centered out. It's time to get out of here. I think this is the right way though, I'm not 100% too sure. Right, so we just got back. We're going to give the guy I'm staying with a haircut, have a little chat with him and have a little talk to him. What type of product do you have in your hair?
I have no idea, some goop.
Some goop?
That's what I call it, goop. It's a nicer goop though.
It's a nicer goop?
Right, I usually buy the dollar goop, but this was the more expensive goop.
Okay. For my viewers watching, what would you say is the biggest lesson that you've learned in life?
I don't think people are nice to each other.
People are nice to each other?
They're not nice, they're not.
No?
There needs to be a little more forgiving and, you know, today, you know, years ago there was always a tomorrow. And today there's not a tomorrow. There may not be a tomorrow. Someone may destroy the world like a Putin. There may not be a tomorrow. The kids all worry about, I didn't worry, as a child I didn't worry about stuff like that.
Yeah, but now you do. Done. I think it looks really smart.
Yeah, I think if you put goop in it, it'll give it a little...
I think once you have a shower, I think it looks, honestly, it looks awesome. It really suits your face, promise you.
Well, that's the most important.
Definitely. It's nice to have a change up, right? Great success. I'm gonna have a shower now and then we're gonna go meet Gary. So, the other week in New York, I met Gary that let me stay at him for a couple of days, and he actually used to work in New York, and he said to me, Joel, you have to come see the night sky, and he said, you know what, I need a haircut as well, so you might as well come and cut my hair. So we're currently on the other side of the water by New Jersey, looking over the whole of New York, and you can actually see the World Trade Center. See that? That's the World Trade Center just there, and we're gonna set up our haircut just here. Da-da-da-da. Yes, Gary, how you doing?
Excellent, how are you?
Good stuff, nice to see you again, yeah?
Yeah, you too. Glad you made it.
Let's get you set up, right?
Okay, cool.
Gary, man, take a seat for me.
How are you filming?
Yeah, of course, it's on.
Okay.
Say hello to everyone.
Hello, everybody.
Awesome.
Oh, we can see over there. What a gorgeous view.
What made you come to New York? Because you've obviously got a South African accent.
To meet you. You know, it was a long time ago,
Yeah.
and apartheid was right in the middle of everything. And
Yeah.
I felt there wasn't really much of a future, so I
For sure.
decided to leave and find my own path. So, end of '87, I took a flight and never went back. In relationships, you have to trust yourself. And I think one of the most important lessons I learned just in life is think how hard it is to change yourself.
Yep.
and you'll know how hard it is to change others.
Of course. That's very deep.
It gets a little deeper. So just hang with me and put on the parachute.
I'm here, I'm listening, I'm ready.
Yeah.
So we did a nice little taper in the sides, lovely little taper in the back, and then to this side, a nice little taper gentleman's cut. How'd you feel?
Like a real gentleman.
Good stuff.
Thank you.
Let's get you up. Gary, thank you so much for coming again.
Thanks, man.
And thank
I'm
you
so
for having
glad
me
you
last
stayed.
week.
It was awesome. You can have a hug. It was great having you and meeting you.
Good stuff.
So thanks a lot.
Right, that's the trim.